It is an expectation of admissions committees that pre-health students are consistently doing more than the typical college student, whether they are in or out of the classroom. Some of those ways will be through a group of competencies from the elements of competitive and compelling. In this video, we're going to be focusing more on the elements that make up what might be considered external characteristics health professions programs look for in a strong applicant. They include exam performance, leadership, academic exploration, communication skills, and problem solving. These elements tend to be more about the applicant in relation to others. For example, how one communicates and works with others, or how admissions committees might consider an applicant. Entrance exams are just one tool that can be used by admissions committees to determine an applicant's potential for success in their health professions program. Applicants' performance on entrance exams, such as the MCAT or the GRE, can be correlated with one's capacity to do well in their desired professional schools and on licensing exams in the future. These entrance exams are often timed and are usually comprised of multiple sections covering different fields of knowledge or subjects, specific cognitive competencies, and even reading and writing proficiencies. Pre-health students should work with their PPHC advisor when developing a plan to prepare for entrance exams and when considering the multiple exam prep options available to them. Leadership is a characteristic evaluated by admissions committees that involves being resourceful and working collaboratively with others to achieve a shared vision, putting the shared goals of the group ahead of individual interests. Pre-health students can demonstrate this competency in many ways, not just by taking on official positions of leadership in student organizations. Leadership can be shown in the classroom, at work, by leading a research project, and so on. It is more about accomplishing something concrete and tangible that's defined by clear objectives than a specific rank or title. Leadership and teamwork go hand in hand. Those who may not be in official positions of leadership at the moment can still lead from any role on a team by consistently showing up, readily sharing information and knowledge with others, and providing timely and productive feedback. Academic exploration involves being informed, strategic, and intentional with the many available choices on any given pre-health pathway. Academic exploration begins with the choice of which undergraduate institution a student will attend, but continues with decisions about major and, in some cases, the classes that students take to satisfy core curriculum, major, and other requirements. And even within each course, academic exploration can be expressed by how students choose to complete open-ended assignments and projects. Pre-health students recognize when they are being presented with an academic option, explore those possibilities as fully as they can, and make a decision with the best information and for the best possible outcome based on their strengths, interests, backgrounds, passions, and values. Communication skills are necessary in most academic and professional settings and include effectively conveying information and actively listening to others. Having good communication skills also means recognizing potential communication barriers and adjusting approach. Clarifying information is needed and knowing when to communicate professionally, assertively, conversationally, etc. Pre-health students should also be able to demonstrate an awareness of others' needs, feelings, and the effects both verbal and nonverbal communication can have on an interaction. As with critical thinking, problem solving involves using the knowledge and resources at your disposal to find a solution to any given problem. Problem solving usually involves first recognizing that there is a problem, then defining what the problem actually is, then forming a solution to that problem. Professional health programs are looking for applicants who demonstrate a tolerance for stressful or changing environments or solutions and adapt effectively to them. Problem-solving skills are crucial for healthcare professionals as they use logic and reasoning to identify the strengths and weaknesses of alternative solutions, conclusions, or approaches to problems. Being pre-health can be overwhelming at times. As students navigate this path, it helps to utilize every resource available. If you have any questions whatsoever, be sure to contact your PPHC advisor today.